Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to select the home city on your Casio G-Shock GA-100. Selecting the right home city is very important if you want to correctly use the world time function on your Casio G-Shock watch. Now the first thing that you want to do is to press and hold the adjust button for around 4 seconds. You are going to hear a small beep, and right after that beep you will be able to see your current home city. As you can see, we are set for Rome, and you can use the two buttons on the right, so the forward and the reverse button, in order to go east or west. And as you can see, I have Rome, then I have Berlin, I have Stockholm, Athens, and so on. Then I can go in the other direction and I have Paris, Madrid, London, Lisbon, and so on. So once you have the correct city, you can stop and pause there. In case you are unsure what city corresponds to your time zone, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below to all the time zones and cities on the Casio G-Shock watches, so you can select the right one for you. And once you are done, all you need to do is to press the adjust button once again, and you are done. You have successfully set or changed the home city on your Casio G-Shock GA-100. I'm going to leave a full guide in the description box below with all the functions and features on this exact model. So in case you are interested, make sure to check it out. Once again, link in the description box below. And guys, if you found value, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you are into watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe, leave a comment, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.